heart and twin birth. In India, Ayurveda has had a deep understanding of the functioning of the heart from many millennia ago. The very word heart in the English language shares its root with the Sanskrit word Hridayam. This word Hridayam has three components to it. Hra, root for to take, Harati, the, root for to give, Dadati, and Yam, root for control, regulate. The formation of the word Hridayam itself is describing the primary function of the heart, which is to take, to give, to circulate. Hridayam by itself is a technical word, rich in meaning and denoting the functionality of the object it stands for. We know today that the heart is an organ that pumps and circulates blood throughout the body. What we perhaps didn't know is the name heart in turn is derived from this functionally meaningful Hridayam. When twins are born, Ayurvedic texts clearly state that the child born second is elder and the child born first is younger. This is because the child born second would have been conceived first and got its life, Jeevan, first. In Indian philosophy, life, living and learning do not start only after coming out of the womb. They start from the moment of conception. The Indian native law, the traditional law, taking this cue from Ayurveda, therefore also has in its tenets of law that the child born second is elder and has the legal rights of the elder one. A whole host of details on conception and development of fetus is discussed in an exhaustive treatise named Garbhopanishad. This also indicates that in the Indian system, each branch of knowledge or practice was not pursued in isolation but was intertwined with other branches to lead a wholesome life. The field of Ayurveda is filled with many more such interesting, intricate details as well as milestone aspects in the evolution of knowledge of humans, their body, mind and society. The home of knowledge, wisdom and philosophy for thousands of years. This is amazing India.